Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to fix YouTube not available in this region. So with that being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so if you get this error, the first step is that you can sign out of your YouTube account and use a VPN. So you can use any free VPN, just go to iOS App Store or Google Play Store depending on the type of device you're using, and then just type in free VPN. Alternatively, you can also write Proton VPN. It's a good free VPN that you can use, or you can just download any VPN from here. You can also download this one right here, the blue one. So yeah, just download a VPN and open up YouTube, and it should fix the problem on iOS 18. This also works on Android phones if you're on an Android phone and you get this error. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. Also, if it doesn't work, what you can do is you can offload the YouTube app, or you can delete the YouTube app and reinstall it, and then do this method, and it should fix the problem by 100% on iOS 18. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful, then consider subscribing. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.